Hey everybody, this is a quick video to talk about how to factory reset a dishwasher. So there's different reset buttons and series of buttons and stuff like that on different dishwashers. And most of those will just clear out whatever cycle you're on. If you want to do a true factory reset on a dishwasher, the only real way to do it is to do it the old-fashioned way, which is, first step that you want to do is you want to clear out any cycle that your dishwasher's on and make sure that it's turned off. Once it's turned off, you want to just unplug it from the wall, or if you can't unplug it from the wall, then turn it off at the circuit. And either way, you just want to leave it disconnected from the power for as long as possible, at least a minute, but if you can do it longer than that, that's great, because all that sort of the electronic memory and everything will just kind of fade away over time. And then after that time's up, if you restore power to it, and turn it on, it will go through a startup cycle and be reset. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.